Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys the Walgreens ad preview for September 9th to the September 15th. I actually am seeing a lot of good decent deals that you guys can do at Walgreens this week. I feel like the last month has been kind of slow, but they're finally starting to pick up, I think, now with school starting and everything, and with just other things coming up in the near future. I think they're finally starting to step it up. But as you guys can see right here, they have the 5,000 points when you guys spend $25 or more. Now usually that's a deal where if you don't pay with points, you get those, so it's up to you guys what you guys want to do. For me, it's like whatever, I don't care. But right here they have Snickers on sale for 69 cents. We do have those 50 cents off of 2 coupons that are on coupons.com right now to print. You guys want to print those off. You guys would end up getting 2 of them for just 68 cents. That comes out to 34 cents a piece if you guys are interested in some candy bars. They also have Dial body wash or bar soap for $2.99. Now we are getting $1 off a 2 coupon, so you guys want to get that. You guys would end up paying $4.98 or just $2.49 a piece for it. So there's that. They also have Purex for $1.99 with a 50 cent off coupon, making it $1.49. Now usually I've seen stuff in Savings Star pop up, so if you guys are interested in that. Kellogg's cereal and Pop-Tarts are $1.99. Now I do know we have a 2 off of 4 coupon for those that do expire soon, so if you guys are interested in that, that's like 50 cents off each one, so that comes out to be $1.50 a piece. Plus you guys can add that to the Kellogg's Family Rewards and get some free books that ends soon also. Paper plates are going to be 99 cents. Those are actually pretty decent plates. They're kind of sturdy, so if you guys are interested in stuff like that. They do have Jif and Smuckers. Now those are 2 for $5. Right now on coupons.com, we have a 50 cent off coupon for each individual ones if you guys want to buy that. Or you guys can use $1.25 off of 2. There's $1.25 off of 2 for Jif, and there's also $1.25 off of 2 for Smuckers. So if you guys use that coupon from coupons.com, you guys would end up paying $3.75 for just 2 of them, or $1.87. So buy 2 peanut butters and 2 Smuckers, so $1.87 a piece could be a pretty decent deal. I don't buy that stuff enough to know what the prices are to see if that's a good decent price. A lot of snacks on sale, which is fine. They got, you know, Keeblers for $1.99. So we got that going on. More drinks and everything. Here is the makeup. Now it looks like cosmetics, nails, and accessories are buy 2 get the 3rd free. It does say if you guys spend $50 or more, you get a $5 reward. That's for just being in the beauty program, but all the makeup is buy 3 or buy 2 get the 3rd one free. So if we have some easy coupons for that, looks like we'll be getting a free moisturizing lotion if you guys buy one of the bigger bottles of Aveeno. Here they got Garnier Skincare, excludes the sheet mask, but they are buy one get one 50% off. Now we do have the $2 off coupons that are in the Walgreens booklet. Sorry, I moved my hand. But they're in the Walgreens booklet, so you guys want to use that. And then we're also going to be receiving $2 off coupons in the newspaper, but please keep in mind those coupons are a limit of 1, but we are getting 2 different kinds of Garnier coupons, so you might be able to buy one of one and one of the other. So just giving you guys a heads up with that. Here they got Whole Blends 2 for $7. Now we are getting $2 off of 1 coupon, so you guys can't even use 2 of them. You got to use 1, so that's kind of lame. Garnier Fructis, you guys can't see it. Garnier Fructis is 2 for $7. Now we are getting a 3 off of 2. So those make them $2 a piece. L'Oreal Olive is 2 for $8. We are getting a 3 off of 2 coupon in this paper. Plus there is a 2 off of 2 in the Walgreens booklet, making them just $1.50 each. So if you guys are interested in something like that. Soft soap, hand soap is buy one get one 50% off. Now there is a 75-cent online coupon. There might be coupons to print off soft soap, but you get 4,000 points when you guys buy 4. Not sure if that's a good deal. Blink or Revitalins are $5.99. We are getting $3 off coupons, making them $2.99, which we get that stuff pretty cheap a lot anyways. They have toothpaste $3.99 with a $1 off coupon, making them $2.99. And then if you buy 2 of them, you guys will get $4 back. So that makes them just 99 cents a piece. So if you guys are interested in that, usually I say try to get free toothpaste. But yes, not much going on with the whole medicine. They got Dime Tap or Robitussin for $5.99, and there's going to be a $3 off online coupon, making them just $2.99, which is actually a pretty okay deal for medicine. Benadryl, there's $5.99 or $10.99 for Zyrtec, and then it says there's going to be an online coupon available. And now, we're not done yet. The Renewzits is 89 cents. We are getting a buy 3, get 1 free coupon. If you buy all 4 of them, you'll pay $2.67 or just 67 cents a piece. Now, sometimes those deals do pop up on Save and Star to make it a better deal. And then right here, they have Scott's paper towels, bath tissues, and Cottonelle for $9. We're getting, looks like there's a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet, and then we'll be getting 50-cent off coupons. I don't know if there's 75-cent off coupons on coupons.com right now, but you guys would end up paying $6.50. For the 12-pack of paper towels, you guys would get those for 54 cents a piece. For the toilet paper, you guys would get a 24-pack, and those come out to be 27 cents a piece. And then for the Cottonelle, you'll get an 18-pack, and those come out to be 36 cents a piece. So if you guys are interested in that, I'm not sure how much square footage, or I know a lot of you guys pay certain much by that, but just wanted to give you guys a heads up so you guys can check it out if you're in the store recently. So now we're on the last page of the Walgreens ad. They got All and Snuggle, $2.99. I don't think there's any coupons out there for that. Puffs are 99 cents. We do have those 25-cent off coupons that are in the P&G of September, but otherwise that is pretty much it for the Walgreens ad. I think there's actually some decent deals. I'm pretty excited to make me actually want to go back to Walgreens and go shopping again. Lately it's just kind of like, But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you guys can see more Walgreens chit chat stuff, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.